Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at Dynasets from Singularity DAO. Now, this is a video that couldn't wait because there's only a couple more days for people to participate if they wish to. So I wanted to highlight the opportunity. Nick and myself are really big fans of Singularity DAO. I think it's a fantastic project. This isn't sponsored content, just so we're really clear. We've been excited about Dynasets for some time. We've talked about it on the channel an awful lot, and the time is here. The time is now. I have dropped 10,000 USDC into one of these Dynasets. In this video, we'll talk about what a Dynaset is. We'll talk about the steps involved to participate. We'll talk about the fees when doing it on Ethereum chain, all that sort of wonderful stuff. So if you like this sort of content, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget, you can join our Discord group. The link is in the description of the video. We set up project level chat rooms so you can chat with like-minded individuals 24/7 about the projects you love. And we have a Patreon membership now as well where you can join. We do live chats, live streams, AMAs where you can ask us anything, a bit like team meetings, and we have like private member chats and all that sort of stuff, member videos, all that sort of wonderful stuff. So we'd love to have you there. Do check it out in the description of the video. Right, let's get down to the desktop and talk about everything Singularity DAO and Dynasets. So do bear with me, I'm a little bit under the weather at the moment. Potentially I've got tonsillitis, so it's a bit painful to talk. So we're going to keep this one short and to the point. I will link everything in the description of the video. So Singularity DAO is at $1.11, down just over 5%. Now, this is my opinion, nothing more, not financial advice, just my opinion, but this is massively undervalued at the moment. Go do your research on the project, not financial advice. Anyway, moving on. I'm not going to read through all of this, but basically, so if I can simplify what a Dynaset is, it's basically a blockchain hedge fund of sorts, right? And by sort of participating, you can utilize, by holding the Dynaset tokens, you've got a percentage of the pool, and the artificial intelligence and machine learning driven DeFi hedging strategy is what you're going to be able to take advantage of. Now, Dynasets have historically performed really, really well. It's an opportunity in my eyes, right? A real good opportunity. So I have dropped 10,000 USDC into a Dynaset. So if we go over to Singularity DAO, I will drop the website link in the description of the video, but I always say never click links. So the website is singularitydao.ai, just so you're aware. Click launch app, that will take you to the how it works page. You will need to connect your MetaMask wallet, selecting the chain that you want, so Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. So mine's already done. I don't need to link my my MetaMask. Now, with that said, you are going to need your tokens on MetaMask. So you do send them to your MetaMask wallet, then click Dynasets. Now, I will highlight that these Dynasets, they're not always in the same position whenever you open this website. So don't get caught out opening one, signing the smart contract, and then coming back to it. Do make sure you are selecting the right one. So you've got the Bitcoin Dynaset, which is basically a combination of ETH, USDC, and wrapped Bitcoin. You have the Singularity one, which is ETH, USDC, Singularity Net, SDAO, and NuNet. And then you have the Ethereum and USD one, right? So to participate in this, right, if we use ETH as an example, select max, or the amount of ETH that you want to put in the Dynaset, click deposit. Now, when you do that, your MetaMask is going to appear on the screen, and it's going to be asking you to sign a smart contract. Now, this is basically, the smart contract. This isn't going to deposit your funds. And when I first did this, it was $14 in ETH fees. So that'll then go through. You're then going to need to just make sure that these are the same, and you deposit in what you want to deposit. Click deposit, and then it will obviously pop up your MetaMask. You'll need to obviously pay the fee. and then approve that on MetaMask, it will then show up just like this. So if I go USDC, it'll show up here, 10,000 USDC is your balance once you've completed it. So it's really simple to participate. Obviously, it hasn't started yet. Now, there is only a couple of days left in order to participate before they close that door. So this is why I wanted to get the video out today. So my fees were $68 on the second one, so 14 before, right? But I know others have managed to do both for $38. So just be conscious of the timings when you do this on the ETH ecosystem.
And guys, this video has been sponsored by 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗀 and specifically the Cardano ADA pool. If you are looking to support the channel and our effort here to communicate out all the recent kind of news, articles, price changes and price action of your favorite altcoins, then there's no better way than delegating your ADA into our stake pool. By doing so, you'll not only support the channel, but you will also earn a juicy return and a nice passive income on your ADA holdings. It's really simple to do, guys. Just load up your 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦 or Deadliest wallet, drop your ADA into the wallet, and then find the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗀 pool via the ticker 𝗕𝗘. In doing so, you'll earn a nice juicy return and support the channel. There is no better time to do so, so why not delegate to 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗀 today?
But you know, I think that it's going to outperform what I've paid in fees anyway. So, you know, it's going to be interesting, and I will keep you updated on the performance of the Dynaset. So, you know, do let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on the Dynaset. Nick and myself are really bullish. It's a fantastic tool to potentially utilize in a bear market, and that is where Nick and myself are going to be looking to do this and utilize it to its full potential. So do let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. Really interested to know. If you enjoyed the content, mash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.